So this is the new D2 Fazer chassis. So it has a little 22 turn brush motor. Comes with a Dean's plug. Super handy, so it'll take most packs. I'll put a long pack in this one, so the car would run for ages. Comes with a really good drift tyre. It feels very much like an LF3 to drive on, like a DSLF3 compound, so they'll work on our track, no dramas. There's tons of option parts available for this car if you want, like aluminium arms, shock towers, carbon parts, billet shocks, but you don't really need anything if you're just getting into drifting. The whole package is $449 Australian. That's what we sell them for. They're a great little car. The body is absolutely awesome. You do need to get some an option part, which we'll have in stock soon if you want the headlights to pop up, and the light kit for it, but everything's in there, so it's very well detailed. Looks terrific. So that is the body. But yeah, as I said, great little car, and it's the cheapest two-wheel drive platform going to get into drifting. The remote's quite a nice little thing. It's called the Synchro RC KT21231P. Great little remote. Actually, it doesn't feel too bad for a low-end remote. It feels really good. And I've seen lots of remotes through. So that's a remote you get with it. We've got plenty of them in stock. So if you want to come on down, RC Hobbies Gold Coast, and get yourself the new Toyota Truno AE86 Kyosho D2 Fazer. Hey guys, this is the brand new Kyosho D2 Fazer two-wheel drive drift car. This one, if you look at it here, we've done nothing other than put a full-length 7.4 LiPo in it. It's never been used, that's the remote it comes with. We'll put a couple of stickers on it. So this is the new one that's $449 plus battery plus charger. But it's the cheapest little drift car you can get. So it's never been driven. I'm no professional drifter. I can drive around the track, but we'll give it a crack and see how it goes. So here we go. So if we look at the remote, you can turn the power up and the percentage and stuff like that. Why they left these with not turning them up into Australia and distributing was the gyro problems. They didn't want the gyro turned up too much. So we've got it where they set it, and we'll see how it goes. Here we go. First ever drive. These are just the tyres they come with. So a little bit loose. Things not too bad. It's only got a brush motor in it, but it's 21 turn brush. So it'll take a little bit. The remote doesn't feel too bad for a basic entry level remote. Remember, the price of the car is $449. Actually feels quite good. The tyres will probably feel better once it's done a few laps. Obviously it doesn't have high-end equipment like V4 gyro and Yokomo servo, but it's a package and it actually drifts pretty cool. It looks really, really good. So obviously some of the better drifters would get it around better, but as I said, it's basic equipment. It looks really, really good. And it looks awesome. So they're in stock now. We've got a heap of these ready to go. If you want to try drifting and you don't want to spend a fortune, you've already got a battery and a charge from your other RC cars. This is definitely the one for you. So there you go guys, this is our basic review of the Fazer D2 drift car. It's a perfect platform to get people into drifting. We need new people to get into drifting to make the sport grow, and this is the car to get them started. You can do all your upgrades later on if you want better radio, better servo, better gyro, better motor and speed controller, but this is the perfect platform. We've got them in stock at RC Hobbies Gold Coast, so drop down and see us.